Hello and welcome. In this video, I will be showcasing my final year project, which I developed using Flutter, GetUp State Management Library, MVC architecture, and Firebase for the backend. Here is a well-designed folder structure. As you can see, I have managed different small components in here. Common folder for icons, layout, style, and widgets. I also have backend folder which I call repository folder for the backend connection. All Firebase connection managed here like authentication. You can see authentication repository. Here is I made Firebase connection and getting data from Firebase. And then you can see app features. In app features we have three main features like authentication, chat. For clients, we have two main modules in app, clients and lawyers. I made different folder for client and different for lawyers, in which you can see I have different folder controller model screen, controller used for connection between screens and repository classes. Now let's move to the app demonstration. Now we have onboarding screens, which you can see. Now we have login and sign up feature. For sign up, you need to create an account or you can sign up with Google. For creating account, you press on create account and you have a different option you need to fill first name, last name. If you are a lawyer, then you need to give a bar ID and then you have enter email, phone number, password, then you can create account. For sign in Google, you can press on sign in with Google and you can go with your account, but I am going with my existing account, so I am writing here. As I wrote my Gmail and password, you can press remember me. If you press this button the next time, you do not need to write the email and password. This will be automatically written here. Press remember me and then sign in. This will go to your Lawyer account dashboard panel. Here we have a screen that will show your next hiring. If you add your client data here, then you need to save here. If someone hiring is in next day, then hiring will appear here and you got a notification. You can set up your profile which will show on the other side. I will show you later how this will appear. You also add your agency. If you are working under someone, then you can check this option. Then we have an add post option. Here you can simply write for no a quote, a caption, what you want to tell people. You can write here and you can also see different persons post. Like here I just demonstration how this will work, as normally posting high community list content for any of your land related problems. Like this you can also post it your captions. And then you have a drawer where your profile show, home page, share. You can share this app with other and a logout feature. And for chat box, you can get client messages here, and here your profile in which the only post which you posted showed here, which I show here. Here you can press and edit your information like name, phone number, bar ID, and you can also delete your account. You can change your picture to my joining date of this app as a creating and testing then at 9 April 2024. Now I will move on the other side, which is our client side. I need to log out and enter a user which is a client. Now I enter my client side email. I created a account on my different email and I write here. You can also forget password, which will send a link to your Gmail, and then you can enter your new password. Simply sign in, and here you got client side dashboard. Here where someone user see your profile, like here Naman created their profile and fill here. Then you will see here different picture. Let's see if I added on someone other account. Here you can saw client review if someone give to you, and you can also manage like this account of Hanan. You can see can message normally for their services. If they can message, just go to the chat box and hello, Ma, and Manali got this message. Now you can see we can add the wish list also. If we add this wish list, then layer has been added to our wish list. You can see this in our wish list. Here we added Manali to wish list. You can also remove this. If you remove this, let's add other one. Well, yeah, this is fine. Okay, let's move on post. A client also see your different posts. If this is like a social media feature, we will update this in next version. Like we add here like month and also different things. Here is a command chat box where you can say this is also I manage as this is a variant for, and here is a Hanan profile where Hanan. Okay, let's see who Hanan can review our client. Here if Hanan likes Numan services, then Hanan can review this by clicking on after getting the services. He clicked on profile and can add their review also like here. I like for services. This is saving in the backend also. You can see, yeah, you know there is I like your service and as a review, and this will show on the client profile to there. So this is our app called Advocate Pro, which I made during my FYP with complete functionality in Flutter, Dot, get state management, MVC architecture with Firebase data.